How to register your documents. There's a simple 4-step formula to it. In this video today, I will be sharing all those 4 steps with you to register your documents. Hi, I'm Mrs. Kritika Singh, the Director of Efficacious Judicial Academy. It's been over a decade that I have been helping and supporting students to crack the Judicial Services Examination. So the simple formula to register your document, I call it as DEAR. D stands for documentation, E stands for execution, A stands for attestation, and finally R stands for registration. So documentation, execution, attestation, and registration completes the process of your registration. For the meaning of all these terms, I have a detailed video on this, the link of which I will be sharing in my description box. You can check out the detailed video and get more insight on registration.